If you've thought about having a home recording studio here in the Nashville area, or if you just want to be entertained by taking a look at a few, stick around and we're going to take a peek inside some home studios here in Middle Tennessee. Weeks ago, I met with a gentleman that is going to be moving to the Middle Tennessee area, and he'd like to find a home that either has a basement or a garage or an extra room that he can create his own home recording studio. I assured him that that is not a rare request in the area, and I also let him know that I may be able to do him one better and find him a house that already has a recording studio, because honestly, they come up quite often. Kind of like this one. Now, I know that when you're creating your own home studio, it's a very personalized thing. So if you jump into somebody else's studio that they've already created, it might not exactly be set up the way you had intended. However, if the bare bones are there with isolation booths, a mixing room, wires already running the walls, a lot of that work is already done for you. Even if you want to use different equipment, run different software, it's up to you to personalize it. But with the help of your agent, if you can find a home that already has a studio in it, it's gonna make life a lot easier than trying to create one from scratch. Now, this isn't going to be a tutorial on how you can set up your best home studio. It'll help you think through that process, but these are strictly homes in the Nashville area that are either under contract or have recently sold that have home recording studios in it. And this is just a handful that I found with a quick search here today, and I figured it'd be fun to share them with you. Some of these are really fun because taking a look at the exterior of the house, you may never guess that this is part of the property. This one has a detached studio out back, which is fantastic. Now, make no mistake, I am no professional recording engineer. I did take some basic sound recording and engineering classes when I was in school at Belmont University for composition and arranging, way back when. I do know that when you're doing a home studio, there are some things beyond the software or the quality of the mics that have to do with the house itself that is going to create an environment that you can professionally do music from home. So the first question is, are you doing it professionally, or is this just a hobby? If you're someone that's considering purchasing a home around the concept of having a home recording studio, you're doing something more than just a hobby, right? And of course, what are you recording? Are you just recording yourself? Are you doing podcasts, or are you actually recording full albums? Are you just a guitar player? Oh boy, that's going to get me in trouble. Or are you an instrumentalist that's going to be overdubbing on other people's tracks? You really need to think through what exactly do you need in your home studio. So let's take a look at a few here and see what they did with these houses that either recently sold or currently are under contract. I'm Andy with Weichert Realtors, the Andrews Group. Please like and subscribe down below and you'll get notified when I post another video. I appreciate you joining me to check out some home studios here in Nashville. Whether you're looking to buy or sell, or you just have some questions about the Nashville area, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I look forward to helping any way I can. I look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks.